another shot a little further around the trail. Let's take down a tree. You can see the big house and the corral, my place. This is a cutout that was opened up by the deer, and it was so prominent that I just mowed it, because this is all brush and trees, and you couldn't, this is woods essentially. It was a great cover for the deer, and they would cross right there and go onward to the canal, to the woods, I don't know. But a lot of deer hitting, or deers have been killed right there. Anyways, this trail was opened up. I'll just show you. This is my neighbor's field, which they hay. This is Doris Aubrey's, but she's in a nursing home. So this is a really big field. They have water problems here along the edge because of the water flowing from Shine Hill Road, from that culvert, plus all the water coming from up there. That's where it meets, right up there where that barn is, where Shine Hill and 196 meet. So all this water flows down here and goes right underneath 196 back there, like I showed you. But this is one of her fields. Her property goes all along mine, all the way up. And she was cool. I hope she's okay. You can see the car up there right now. And that's that. My neighbor's doing something with the excavator back there, farming.